In this video, we will analyze the Swftc coin, which has recently prepared for the attack. The chances of SWFTC coin being listed on the Binance exchange depend on several important factors. Binance generally prefers to list high-volume, trusted projects with a strong community. SWFTC is currently traded on many major exchanges and has a certain user base. However, for Binance listings, criteria such as liquidity, trading volume, the team behind the project, technical infrastructure, and regulatory compliance play a big role. In addition, Binance may occasionally list projects with high potential and coins with strong community demand. If SWFTC's trading volume increases, community support strengthens, and the project meets Binance's evaluation criteria, it may be listed on the Binance exchange in the future. However, there is no official announcement or concrete sign at the moment. Binance listings are often announced by surprise, so it is useful to follow project developments and Binance's announcements. Remember, if there is volume in a coin, Binance will list it. As you can see, SWFTC coin is listed on almost all major exchanges. This shows that the project has reached a broad investor base and is in a strong position in terms of liquidity. Major exchanges, such as Binance, often consider projects with high trading volumes that were previously traded on other major platforms. I can't imagine the increase if it's listed on Binance. We also see that SWFTC coin is present on both the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain network. This shows that the token can be used in a wide ecosystem and appeals to different investor groups. Binance, in particular, may pay more attention to active projects on its own network, BSC, so it may be easier to list on Binance. In terms of market capitalization, SWFTC coin has a market cap of $265 million and ranks 174th in the cryptocurrency rankings. This indicates that it is in a very strong position in terms of market capitalization. As an example, ARC coin has a market cap of only $74 million and is ranked 448th. Despite this, it's listed on the Binance exchange, so even a relatively low market cap may not be an obstacle for a Binance listing. If we look at a second example, Magic Coin has a market cap of $72 million and is ranked 455th. But Magic Coin is also traded on Binance. This shows that Binance doesn't only care about the market cap, but also the technology, the contribution to the ecosystem, and the community support. In this context, the fact that SWFTC coin has a higher market cap and a better ranking shows that it has the potential for a Binance listing. If the trading volume continues to increase and community support strengthens, a Binance listing may be a possibility in the future. For this, the SWFTC coin team needs to work harder and develop the project and create value. Once the project develops, the rest is already up to the volume. According to a recent announcement from the SWFTC team, there is now a platform where you can exchange Bitcoin for SWFTC coins. This expands the project's use cases by enabling seamless transactions across different blockchains. Increased cross-blockchain compatibility could accelerate SWFTC adoption and increase its liquidity. In particular, projects that facilitate cross-chain transactions have a huge advantage in the DeFi ecosystem. This development could enable SWFTC to reach a wider user base and take a more active role in the ecosystem. It will be better for the coin in terms of volume. When the volume increases, listings will be easier. SWFTPT, an artificial intelligence developed by the SWFTC team, has started to play an important role in financial forecasting. According to their latest post, this AI successfully predicted the 24-hour price movement of the Doge coin. This provides an impressive example of how AI can be used in the financial world. SWFTPT's success is a critical step in the development of the SWFTC ecosystem. AI-powered financial analysis can help investors make more informed decisions. Especially since cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, reliable forecasting models can be a great advantage for investors. This step shows the importance the SWFTC attaches to AI integration. The use of artificial intelligence combined with blockchain as a financial forecasting tool shows the potential of SWFTGPT and its ability to analyze the movements of more cryptocurrencies in the future. The proliferation of such AI-based tools in the crypto market could create a great opportunity for both individual investors and institutional investors. Thus, in the future, this project will develop a lot, as artificial intelligence will come to many different places. This will surely be reflected in the price. Now let's analyze how high the Swftc coin can rise if it is listed on Binance. The falling trend structure noted on the SWFTC chart has been broken, and the price seems to have completed the post-breakout retest phase. This is a critical development from a technical analysis point of view, as trend breakouts can often be the start of a new bullish wave. When the price breaks the downtrend, it indicates that the selling pressure has subsided and buyers are gaining strength. The retest phase is considered an area where the price tests the broken trend line as support and gathers strength. If it manages to hold at this level, it may be a favorable ground for the start of a strong upward movement. When high purchases come, big attacks will begin. Rising trend line coming from the bottom. This trend works as a critical level that supports the upward movement of the price in the long term. This suggests that buyers see this level as an important support. If the price experiences a pullback again, it is likely to continue its upward movement again with a strong reaction from this rising trend line. Investors may be waiting to buy from this area. Also, such rising trend lines work as strong support zones in bull markets. Especially when a broken downtrend and a rising support trend are considered together, this structure favors the bulls. If the price gets support from the uptrend once again, it could be the start of a new upward wave, and previous highs could be targeted. The presence of a bullish order block at the bottom on the SWFTC chart is a very important bullish support level. The order block marks a zone where there was strong buying pressure in the previous movement of the price, and the price reversed direction from there. Such areas are likely to get the first reaction when the price pulls back, because at these levels, buyers are active and move the price upwards. Professional traders may be waiting for this area to buy. The presence of a bearish order block at the top of SWFTC's chart signals an important resistance zone where the price's upward movement could be blocked. A bearish order block indicates a zone where the price previously encountered strong selling pressure at this level and changed direction. Such levels are areas where sellers start to enter the market strongly and try to pull the price down. You need to be careful when the price gets there. In the Elliott wave, the fact that the first and second waves have been completed and we are now entering the third wave creates an important technical structure. In the Elliott wave theory, the third wave is usually considered the strongest and longest wave, and it usually has to extend to the 1.618 Fibonacci level. The third wave comes when and where no one expects it. Keep this information in mind. The appearance of an inverse shoulder head and shoulders pattern on the chart can be a very strong bullish technical sign. This pattern usually means that the downtrend will end and give way to an uptrend. The head and shoulders reversal pattern is considered a bottoming pattern and usually signals a final period of consolidation before the price starts its upward movement. This pattern has three main parts: the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. The price falls from the left shoulder to the head, then makes a deeper bottom at the head, and then starts an upward movement again at the right shoulder. Finally, the pattern is completed by breaking through the resistance before the upside breakout. The target of the pattern is measured by the depth of the head, and the target is waited for. The presence of a falling channel structure coming from the top suggests that the price is moving within a certain boundary, and that this channel constitutes a potential breakout point. A falling channel is generally considered to be a structure where the price moves between the upside and downside boundaries, and as the price approaches the upper boundary of the channel, it usually encounters resistance. If it can break this falling channel, we could see some nice upside. A tightening of the Bollinger Band indicator signals a situation where the price is trading in a narrowing area and volatility is decreasing. A Bollinger Band squeeze usually indicates that there is low volatility in the market and the price is moving within a certain squeeze area. However, this type of squeeze can often be a signal ahead of a big price move. When the squeeze breaks out, a nice move can come. A topping crossover on the MACD indicator indicates that short-term price movements are weakening and momentum is starting to decline. The MACD indicator is a tool that usually measures the momentum of price movements and is used to detect trend reversals. A bullish crossover indicates that the MACD has crossed the signal line from top to bottom, which implies bearish momentum. For a bullish crossover, the MACD should cross below the 0 point and make an upward crossover from the bottom side. On SWFTC's chart, there is a downtrend in the RSI indicator, and this trend has been broken. Now, the price needs to retest to confirm this breakout. When the RSI breaks the downtrend, it usually indicates that the momentum is starting to shift in favor of buyers, and that a market turnaround may be in the offing. However, The retest will be an important step to confirm the reliability of this break. After the retest, when the RSI increases, the price will also increase. These two go in parallel. On the Vortex indicator, the red line is above and bearish. This suggests that selling pressure is stronger in the current market, and a bearish move is likely to continue. However, the blue line needs to move to the upside for the uptrend to begin. If the blue line moves upwards and crosses below the red line, this signals that the uptrend is gaining strength and buyers are becoming more active in the market. This is when the uptrend starts. Price is currently touching the 200 EMA from the lower side, but is struggling to break above it. This suggests that the price is facing resistance at this level, and the upside is being blocked. If the price fails to break through the 200 EMA, it may continue to decline with a reaction at this level. However, if the price breaks through this resistance, we could see big rises, but it has to break above the 200 EMA. Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe and like the video, more videos will come. Good earnings to everyone.